This is the elevator outside Nordstrom at International Plaza and Bay Street in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to UL. Same fixtures as the scenic ones. Sick bell. Let's go down to LL. This is the West Passenger elevator, according to that right there. There's your certificate. And there's your captain. We're just gonna take this one ride. There it goes. And that'll be it.